Kontoo Industries is a biotechnology company that specializes in creating artificial life forms that are superior to existing ones in terms of intelligence, adaptability, and survival. The company is also involved in other fields, such as space exploration, advanced robotics, pharmaceuticals, and weapon engineering, aiming to expand the frontiers of science and technology. Some of the company's most notable creations are the Raycon and the common monster, which are part of a project called Project Hyperspecies. The Raycon is a dragon-like creature that can mimic any sound, including human speech, and has a variety of sensory abilities, such as infrared vision, echolocation, and electrolocation. The common monster is a dinosaur-like creature that has a whip-like tail, a pair of crests adorning its head, and a rattle of hollow quills on its back and tail. Both creatures are very intelligent and have a lifespan of 250 and 50 years, respectively. They are also very fast and agile, capable of running and flying at high speeds. Kontoo Industries is a secretive and controversial organization that has faced criticism and opposition from various groups, such as environmentalists, animal rights activists, and religious leaders, who question the ethics and legality of their experiments. The company has also been accused of conducting illegal and dangerous activities, such as cloning humans, creating biological weapons, and violating international treaties. The company's headquarters are located on a remote island in the Pacific Ocean, where they have a large and secure facility that houses their laboratories, factories, and testing grounds. The company also has several branches and subsidiaries around the world, where they operate under different names and cover UPS. Kontoo Industries is one of the most influential and powerful companies in the world, with a vast network of connections and resources. The company's founder and CEO, Evan Jones, is a visionary and a genius, who has a passion for creating new forms of life and exploring the unknown. He is also a mysterious and elusive figure, who rarely makes public appearances and prefers to work behind the scenes. He is the mastermind behind Project Hyperspecies and the creator of the Raycon and the common monster. One of the branches of Kontoo Industries is located on the planet Ardone, which is home to an extraordinarily advanced intelligent species known as the Theedrens, who are capable of traversing through the multiverse. Ardone also houses a small colony of humans from Earth made up almost entirely of scientists, military personnel, and their families. The branch was established in 2018, when Kontoo Industries made contact with the Theedrens and formed a partnership with them. Kontoo Industries Earth Branch. The Earth's branch of Kontoo Industries is the original and the largest branch of the company, and it is where the headquarters are located. The Earth's branch is responsible for the creation and management of the Raycon and the common monster, as well as other artificial life forms that are part of Project Hyperspecies. The Earth's branch is also involved in other fields, such as genetic engineering, nanotechnology, cybernetics, space exploration, and weapon engineering, aiming to enhance and modify existing life forms, including humans. The Earth's branch is located on LaRose Island, a remote island in the Pacific Ocean at 32 degrees, 23 minutes, and 60 seconds south, 137 degrees, 35 minutes, and 60 seconds west, which is owned by the company and is off-limits to anyone else. The island has an area of around 70 square miles and the facility itself has an area of around 28 square miles. It is surrounded by a high-tech security system that includes sensors, cameras, drones, and missiles, as well as a cloaking device that makes the island invisible to satellites and radars. The island has a large and secure facility that houses the company's laboratories, factories, and testing grounds, as well as a runway, a helipad, a dock, and a submarine bay. The facility is divided into several sectors, each with a different purpose and level of access. Some of the sectors are the administration sector, which is where the offices, conference rooms, and archives are located. This is where the company's founder and CEO, Evan Jones, and other executives and managers work and make decisions. This is also where the company's records and data are stored and protected. The research and development sector, which is where the scientists, engineers, and technicians work on creating and improving new artificial life forms, as well as other projects. This is where the Raycon and the common monster were born and raised, and where they are kept in specially designed habitats that simulate their natural environments. This is also where other artificial life forms, such as the Hydra, the Chimera, and the Leviathan, are being developed and tested. The production and maintenance sector, which is where the machines, equipment, and materials are manufactured and repaired. This is where the company's factories, workshops, and warehouses are located. This is also where the company's vehicles, such as the jets, helicopters, boats, and submarines, are stored and maintained. The security and defense sector, which is where the guards, soldiers, and weapons are stationed and trained. This is where the company's security system, such as the sensors, cameras, drones, and missiles, are controlled and monitored. This is also where the company's arsenal, such as the guns, grenades, and bombs, are stored and prepared. The testing and training sector, which is where the artificial life forms and the human personnel are tested and trained. This is where the company's testing grounds, such as the arenas, the obstacle courses, and the simulation rooms, are located. This is also where the company's training programs, such as the combat, the stealth, and the survival, are conducted and evaluated. The astrophysics and space sciences sector, which focuses on the theoretical and practical aspects of space phenomena. It houses telescopes, planetariums, and simulation chambers for studying celestial bodies and developing navigation systems for space travel. The robotics and AI development sector, which is a hub for designing and constructing robotic entities with advanced AI capabilities. This sector includes testing labs for AI behavior, assembly lines for robotic parts, and obstacle courses for mobility and task efficiency trials. The pharmaceutical innovations sector, which is dedicated to the discovery and synthesis of new medications and medical treatments. It features biolabs, clean rooms, and trial areas for drug testing, along with a biobank for genetic and biological samples. The advanced weapons research sector, which is a secure zone for the development of next-generation weaponry. It encompasses ballistic ranges, design studios for conceptualizing new weapons, and secure vaults for storing prototypes. The interstellar communications sector, which is focused on the creation and maintenance of communication systems capable of reaching beyond our solar system. It contains massive antenna arrays, signal processing centers, and research labs for developing new communication protocols. The zero-gravity simulation sector, which is for testing both life forms and equipment in conditions that mimic space. This includes large swimming pools for neutral buoyancy simulations and rotating rooms to simulate different gravity environments. The nanotechnology and materials science sector, where researchers develop new materials with unique properties and construct devices at the molecular level. Areas include clean rooms, nanofabrication labs, and testing areas for material stress and resilience. The Earth's branch of Kontoo Industries is a highly secretive and guarded branch that operates under the cover of a peaceful robotics and spaceflight company, and it receives donations and support from various individuals and groups. However, Kontoo Industries is actually a front for the company's illegal and dangerous activities, such as cloning humans, creating biological weapons, and violating international treaties. Kontoo Industries also serves as a cover for the company's agents and operatives, who infiltrate and influence various organizations and governments around the world, such as the United Nations, the World Health Organization, and the CIA. Kontoo Industries also uses its resources and connections to acquire and transport various specimens and materials that are needed for the company's experiments, such as animals, plants, minerals, and chemicals. The Earth's branch of Kontoo Industries is the most influential and powerful branch of the company, with a vast network of connections and resources. The Earth's branch is also the most controversial and dangerous branch of the company, with a long history of conflicts and scandals. The Earth's branch is the main target of various groups, such as environmentalists, animal rights activists, and religious leaders, who question the ethics and legality of the company's experiments. The Earth's branch is also the main enemy of various groups, such as rival companies, terrorist organizations, and rogue states, who seek to destroy or steal the company's creations and secrets. The Earth's branch is constantly under threat and attack, and it has to defend itself and its interests by any means necessary.
What am I doing?
The Earth's branch is the branch that represents the company's vision and ambition, as well as its risk and challenge. Kontoo Industries.
I am listening to you.
Ardone branch. Ardone's branch of Kontoo Industries is the newest and the smallest branch of the company, and it is where the partnership with the Theedrens is located. The Theedrens are an extraordinarily advanced intelligent species that are capable of traversing through the multiverse. Ardone is their home planet, and it is where they have a civilization that is far beyond anything that humans have ever achieved. Ardone also houses a small colony of humans from Earth, made up almost entirely of scientists, military personnel, and their families. Ardone's branch was established in 2018, when Kontoo Industries made contact with the Theedrens and formed a partnership with them. The branch's main purpose is to conduct research and development on new artificial life forms, using the Theedrens' technology and expertise. The branch is not aware of the existence of the Raycon and the common monster, which are kept secret by the headquarters on Earth. The branch also collaborates with the Theedrens on other projects, such as space exploration and multiversal travel. Ardone's branch is mostly located in a megastructure called Megastrogai, which is an enormous skyscraper that stands in the heart of the main city of Ardone, Zyra. Megastrogai is a marvel of engineering and architecture, and it is where the Theedrens' government, culture, and science are concentrated. The branch occupies several floors of the building and has access to the multi-universal gateway, which is a device that can create wormholes that allow the Theedrens and Kontoo Industries to travel to other universes throughout the multiverse and the space between universes. Ardone's branch is a highly secretive and guarded branch that operates under the cover of a mutual cooperation agreement called the Kontoo Alliance. The Kontoo Alliance is a pact between Kontoo Industries and the Theedrens that aims to promote friendship and cooperation between the two parties, as well as to share knowledge and resources. The Kontoo Alliance also serves as a platform for the company's agents and operatives, who work with the Theedrens to learn from and share with other universes that are compatible and friendly with them. The Kontoo Alliance also uses its resources and connections to acquire and transport various specimens and materials that are needed for the company's experiments, such as extraterrestrials, artifacts, energies, and anomalies. Ardone's branch of Kontoo Industries is the most innovative and adventurous branch of the company, with a vast potential and opportunity. The branch is also the most peaceful and respectful branch of the company, with a lot of harmony and understanding. The branch is the main source of curiosity and admiration from the Theedrens, who are fascinated by the company's creations and projects. The branch is also the main source of friendship and cooperation from other forces, who are interested in the company's power and influence. The branch is constantly under exploration and discovery, and it has to adapt and survive by any means possible. The branch is the branch that represents the company's curiosity and exploration, as well as its potential and opportunity. Some of the achievements and challenges of Ardone's branch are: the branch has successfully created several new artificial life forms, such as the Phoenix, the Sphinx, and the Kraken, using the Theedrens technology and expertise. These life forms are designed to have unique abilities and characteristics, such as fire manipulation, riddle solving, and water breathing. These life forms are also designed to be compatible and neutral with the Theedrens and the humans, as well as with other life forms from other universes. The branch is proud of its creations and hopes to create more in the future. The branch has also successfully explored and traveled to several other universes, such as VE1X4, VS4N7, and VG8L2, using the multi-universal gateway. These universes are diverse and fascinating, and they offer a lot of opportunities and challenges for the branch. The branch has learned a lot from these universes, such as new cultures, technologies, and phenomena. The branch has also shared a lot with these universes, such as knowledge, resources, and friendship. The branch is curious about the multiverse and hopes to explore more in the future. The branch has faced some difficulties and dangers, such as technical malfunctions, hostile forces, and ethical dilemmas, while conducting its experiments and activities. These difficulties and dangers have tested the branch's skills, resources, and morals, and they have sometimes resulted in failures, losses, and conflicts. The branch has tried to overcome these difficulties and dangers, using its creativity, resilience, and cooperation. The branch has also tried to learn from these difficulties and dangers, using its experience, feedback, and reflection. The branch is aware of the risks and responsibilities of its work and hopes to improve more in the future.